Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your dinosaur in the aisle. Changing dinosaurs allows you to try different playstyles and survival strategies. Open the aisle. Select play. Find a server you want to join. Some servers require you to join their Discord because they have specific rules to follow. For this example, let's join an official server. Once you load in, you will see several options. You can choose to be a herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, human, or spawn from an egg. There are multiple options for each category. For this example, let's select carnivore. Choose the dinosaur you want. For now, let's select Deinosuchus. Choose whether you want your Deinosuchus to be male or female. Select confirm. In this next window, you can customize your Deinosuchus further. You can change its pattern and preview how it grows over time. After customizing your Deinosuchus, select confirm again. You will now spawn in as a Deinosuchus. And that's how to change your dinosaur in the aisle. Thank you so much for watching.